Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to generate the Stock Status and Production Work in Progress (WIP) report in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Production module, click on Production Reports Queries, and then go to Production Finished Goods Reports. Then open the Stock Report, Stock Status plus Production WIP report. Click on Configuration to create a new report setup and assign a suitable report configuration name. Under the Report Options section, you'll find multiple settings that help you control grouping, ordering, and summarization. Report Totals allows you to enable totals based on different available parameters. It includes summarized values at the end of each section. Report Order allows you to choose the sequence in which the data should appear in the report. You can sort the report with the help of provided buttons. Item consolidation is used to consolidate items based on available criteria. This helps in presenting similar items together for better readability. You can arrange the consolidation according to your preferred order. The Item Totals section provides options to display totals at the item level, allowing you to generate detailed and structured summaries based on the selected criteria. In Other Options section, you can select the job order consolidation basis. The Column as option allows you to decide which data you want to display in the column. The Stock Receipt Production drop-down defines how production receipts will be considered in the report. Furthermore, additional checkboxes on the bottom of the configuration interface allow to refine and customize the report output according to their specific needs. Once all the settings are configured, save the configuration. The report setup has now been successfully created. Finally, click Create to generate the report. The generated report will display all available columns. To customize them, open the Setup Column Attributes option. First unselect all columns, then select the ones you wish to display in the report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys as needed. Save the changes and refresh the report by pressing the F2 key. As you can see, the updated data has been reflected in the report. This report offers a complete snapshot of production progress, presenting a clear, process-wise overview of the current work in progress for each job order. It highlights how much quantity has been completed, how much is still pending, and the exact stage at which each part of the job currently stands. The report ensures full visibility of WIP throughout the entire production line, enabling better monitoring, planning, and control of manufacturing activities.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.